Hello everyone, this is John Diaz here at Blue Knob Ski Resort. We got a 4-wheel drive John Deere 310C backhoe doing detailing snow removal work, pushing everything to the borders to create room for the weekend crowd. And there you have it, guys. Snow removal work here at Blue Knob Ski Resort. Back there where I'm pointing the phone at, that's the golf course. And then over there is the restaurant. It's a restaurant and a bar, and they say the food's really terrific. Thank you for watching. John Diaz here at Blue Knob Ski Resort. Have a good day.